Oh, there's a little bit of a design flaw.
Well, it's good to examine the other side. I like the construction. It's clever.
When you're ready, pull the string.
In 3, 2, 1. All right, maybe I should have tied it a little bit better. It's not easy pulling off Clarkson.
I'd have thought it'd be easier than that.
Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's just ridiculous.
It's a bloody good job we've got time, mate.
In 3,
Yes.
2, 1.
Is there anything blander than boiled yucca?
But doesn't the salt water make it taste better? It's actually quite nice. Look, I'm talking like you. Quite nice. Well, I wouldn't say quite nice.
You accidentally slipped into English.
It's starting to rub off on me. I don't like it. You big fan of Patrick Swayze? Why? I just like his work.
I think the flint's finished.
Let's see.
It's got caught up. Look, that is the flint's gone. Look, that's...
But you know what?
Oh, wait, I haven't put any more lime juice in with the... Thanks! The thing about seaweed is it soaks up tons of sodium from the seawater, so it's a ready for... Because of the sodium in it, I'll end up with sodium carbonate. I can then add citric acid from a lime, such as this, and I'll be left with sodium citrate. Look, smoke in my eyes.
And when you get me out of here, I'm gonna kill you.
Do you want it? It looks so graceful.
In 3, 2. Oh, ho, ho! Bugger!
3, 2. 3, 2. Ugh.
Oh, oh! Ah! Another unsoldierly noises. Damn!
Can you help with that?
It's all slippery.
I don't usually use these.
Physics says this must flow.
I'm gonna kill myself.
I'm experiencing minor disappointment there.